Hi, I'm CJ Donegan, and I'm a third-year Rawlings Sports Business Management major.
My name is Wayne No. I'm a second-year Rawlings Sports Business Management major.
As a junior in high school, I was able to do a week immersive experience with the program and realized we are doing here what no other program in the country is by taking our students out and being able to have experiences with the Cardinals, the Blues, even all the way out in KC, Indianapolis, and all the way to London.
What they do is that they make sure that you intern for at least one internship for credit, so it gets you to understand how different sports teams work, their operations, their marketing, ticket sales, financing.
The classes in the Rawlings Sports Business Management program are very unique to Maryville. They're very much immersive and experiential learning. We don't have many tests in this program. It's all about going out into the field and doing what you're learning.
The professors really want you to graduate and be successful. They have worked in the sports industry for a very long time.
If you're interested in the Rawlings Sports Business Management program at Maryville, feel free to stop by anytime for a campus tour.